Hey craft lovers! Get your crafting supplies and let's work on a creative and fun project together. In this simple and fun tutorial, Milena will be demonstrating you how to make an exquisite flower brooch with your own hands. The materials that you will need for this project are satin ribbon or 4 cm width, leaves, flower center, felt base, brooch base, hot glue, sewing pins, tweezers, needle, and thread. Creating the shape of the flower by folding this beautiful purple satin ribbon using tweezers and sewing pins. Adding in stitches along the ribbon border using a needle and thread. Connecting all the petals together to form a delightful flower. Wait for it, you're going to love it! Applying the same steps on each petal. Using sewing pins to make sure the petals stay firm in place. This is a very important step. Once all the petals are firmly secured, the sewing process will be much easier. Milena used all of her flower petals. It's time to move to the next step. Forming a circle with all the petals. Securing the petals with needle and thread. Taking off the sewing pins along the way. Almost done. Here it is. Isn't it pretty? Beautifying the flower even more by decorating its center. And finally, Milena is adding a brooch base to turn this satin ribbon flower into an amazing brooch. We love it!